In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear chat history on WhatsApp web. Whether you're looking to declutter your chat list or simply keep certain conversations private, clearing your chat history can be an effective way to achieve that. It's a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. Imagine you're sitting at your computer and you've opened WhatsApp web in your browser. You're greeted by the familiar interface that mirrors your phone's WhatsApp, but offers the convenience of a larger screen. Now, to begin clearing a chat, the first thing you want to do is select the chat you intend to clear. This could be a conversation with a friend, a family member, or even a group chat. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a list of all your current and past conversations. Take a moment to browse through this list and identify the chat whose history you want to clear. Once you find it, click on it to open the chat window. With the chat window open, direct your attention to the top right corner within that window. You'll notice a small downward-facing arrow, which is also referred to as the drop-down arrow. It's usually situated near the contact's name or group name, and clicking on this arrow will provide you with a menu of options related to this chat. Now that the drop-down menu is visible, scroll through the list of options, and you will find an option labeled Clear Chat. Clicking on this option will prompt WhatsApp to remove the messages from your view, effectively decluttering your chat history. Be mindful that clearing a chat on WhatsApp web does not delete the conversation from your mobile device. It only clears the messages from your view on the web version. If privacy and discretion are your concerns, note that this process does not permanently delete messages from WhatsApp servers or the recipient's device. At this point, a confirmation message might appear on your screen, asking if you're sure about clearing the chat. This is an important step to ensure you don't accidentally clear important information. Click Confirm or Yes in this dialog box if you're certain. And just like that, your chat history will be cleared from WhatsApp web. A quick tip, regular maintenance of your chats can help keep your WhatsApp web organized and neat. By periodically clearing irrelevant or old conversations, you can easily access important ones without unnecessary scrolling. However, always ensure you back up any important information before clearing your chats, as clearing them could lead to irreversible data loss. We hope this tutorial helps you manage your chats more effectively on WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.